All right, so here we are back on the carb for Larry's T-Bird. These are his old floats. They kind of float, but I'm sure they'll sink after a while. Ugh, stained up. Leave those up there. This has been soaking most of the afternoon today. Just purple power and water, it just cuts the grease. We don't want to go too crazy, goo goo gaga crazy for Cocoa Puffs. Because, you know, it's old pot metal. We don't want it to get all chitty. So we're gonna get that all pulled out, kind of hit her with some brake clean, clean her up the rest of the way. This turned out really nice. I'm hurrying through this because I need to get Andre. He's gonna be here any minute. He's got to tear his carb apart that's off his Avanti. Get it done. And away we go. So let me get all the stuff out of the juice. That cleaned up better. And then we can start getting ready to reassemble. Yay! Right. Floats, kit, we rolling. First order of business I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put our check ball in its little home. Oh, because on the other side, sorry. Turn the thing around, dummy. Okay, check ball like so. There's our little rod that goes in there too. Of course, I'm getting a text and I'm going blind. Oh, there it is. This little rod. It's for our accelerator pump squirter. Goes in the front part of the cob. So the little rod you saw me position in here goes in your little screw. Hollow screw for the accelerator pump with the squirters. This guy goes like this. New gasket. And hopefully that fucker doesn't fall out while I put it in. Oh, I gotta put the gasket on it too. So gasket in. So that. Oopsie doodle. We got our kit, we got floats, everything's here ready to go. We've got fresh gasket on our boosters. For our primaries, I have the check ball right here that goes in first. Then our little rod. And in our boosters, I already have our hollow screw with a fresh gasket. And then we just go like that. And that gets put together, boys and girls, just like that. Super duper easy. Get screwdriver here. Do 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 do. Go in your home, damn it, you bitch. Alright, so that basically goes like that. Alright, so gasket, secondary boosters in their home. Where's their screw? I just fucking had it. This guy. Gotta put a gasket on him. Here, Mr. Gasket. There she is.
Looks like a ring.
But it's paper!
It's an Asian cock ring.
Oh my god.
I took it right yourself.
If we get kicked off of YouTube, it's Andre's fault.
I don't think so.
Oh, it keeps going like this. So get that nice and tight.
I mean, it's right in the name, tube.
Ugh. So there's that. Those are ready to go. I'll sort out our jets next. Do our needle and seats, get our new floats in. Ooh, new floats. Exciting.
Are these ones actually going to float?
Yes. The other ones floated, but they were listing. I actually tried it in the Purple Power bath, which you're going to take your carb apart right now and put it in the Purple Power bath and then pull it out tomorrow. You're going to pull out tomorrow.
First time for everything.
All right, so continuing on Larry's carb, we're going to put our jets in. These are the ones for the rear. These are the ones for the front. Going to get them in. And then we're going to do our needle and seats. Get our float situated. And I got to do our power valve and our accelerator pump.